Hello students, in this video we will see how we can fill the rectangular or other shapes. So this is our previous output. As we can see, what is the output of this program. We have drawn one circle and fill it by using one color and with some pattern, and also we have drawn one rectangular shape here below the circular shape. Now we fill inside this rectangle, so we use here flood fill function again. For flood fill, as we know, we need to give one point inside the shape where we fill the color. So I am giving a point. As the rectangle points are 200, 200 and 400, 300, if I give 220 and 220, then this point comes inside the rectangle, and the border color of rectangle is 1 here, because we set color as 1, so border color is 1. So we need to give one point inside the rectangle and border color to flood fill. Now if I run this program, we give this output. Both the pattern and color are same. If we change the pattern for rectangle shape, then again we use set fill style here and change the pattern as 2 and color as suppose 10. Then see the effect. I am not using the border color but filling color and filling style. If I use here 11 or 12 color number, then we get this output. Now if I use the solid color, then I get the output like this. So this is the way how we can fill the color. If I want to give the color outside these shapes, then we can give any point in this area and the border color, which is again this blue border, because we want to give color outside these shapes, so our color will not be spread inside this area. So we will give this as again I am using set fill style for changing the style and color. I am using here 13 color for background, and flood fill any point which is inside the area where we need to fill the color. So I am giving here 10 10 and border is 1 again, and if I run, then we see this is our effect. If I change the color from 11, then I see the background color will be changed. So in this way, by using flood fill function, you can fill the shapes. Now if I want to display some text on the screen, then we need to use set outText xy function, outText xy, where we need to give some pixels, suppose 120 I am giving. From this point the text drawing will be start, and I am giving the string as welcome. So if I run this, then my text shown here. As we can see, welcome. Our drawing color is blue, so text also drawn by using this blue color. So if I change the color, set color 15 is for white, and so this is the welcome. Now if I want to change the text style and text width or text color, you know how you can change the text color, but now font I want to change, and also some font size I need to increase. So I'm done by using set text style. The function itself gives how it works. Set text style means we are setting the style to text. Like first parameter is font. I'm giving one font, means first font. Then the direction, that is vertical or horizontal, I'm giving here 0, and the size, font size, I'm giving here 1. See what is the output here? Welcome. This is the first font. Then if I change this first parameter to 2, then there will be a second font. We see this is a small font. Then third font I'm giving, this is the third font style. Then fourth font, this is the fourth font. This is not looking well. If I increase the size, then maybe it looks better. So this is the font. Now if I changing font again, then this is the again another font. If I want this font in vertical direction, then second parameter I need to change. So this is the vertical direction. Then again if I change this position, outtext XY, from 120 pixel, welcome starts to draw or start to display. If I change this pixels, then welcome position changes. If I'm using here 2 horizontal as it is, and if I'm giving X 220, then this is the output. If I set color as 1, means again blue, then text color comes in blue color. If I'm changing the font again, so you will try various fonts available inside this Turbo C. So these are some various fonts, and in this way we see how we can display text on screen, how we can fill the shapes, also how we can draw some shapes. So we will see in next tutorial how we can animate the images, or how we can move the circle from one side to one point to another point. Means this circle moves in this direction. In this way we will see in next tutorial. So in this tutorial, here we see set color for setting the drawing color, circle for drawing circle, set fill style for setting the fill style, means fill pattern, first parameter, and second parameter is the filling color. Then flood fill actually fills the color inside any area or any shape, and flood fill works with two parameters. One is the point and second is the border color. For one point we need to give 2 points, 2 values like x value and y value of that particular point respectively. Then we draw rectangle. Then we again change the set fill style. and fill inside this rectangle. Then again we see here how we can display the text in various fonts and various sizes, also with the horizontal direction and vertical direction as well, and our output is like this. So this is about this tutorial. In next video we will see how we can animate the circle or move the circle from one location to another. So try it by yourself. Thank you.